Today I'm going to show you my dollhouse. So let's introduce you to my favorite Barbie. Say hi. Hi. So let's enter. To make this dollhouse, I took two shoe boxes and sticked it together. Then I covered it with the blue tissue paper. Then for the mosaic design, I put small pieces of colorful papers. To make 4 parts, I used 2 cardboard sheets and decorated the inner wall with colorful paper and some stickers. Took some Barbie's toys and my handmade toys. This is my Barbie's main room. Here I use pencil box, match box, biscuit box and incense sticks box. With pencil box I made 3 ACs and covered it with tissue paper. With biscuit box, with one half I made cooktop and the another half I made bed. With matchbox I made microwave and a small part of cooktop. With incense sticks box I made the kitchen cupboard and covered it with tissue paper. Now this is fridge, a container and spoon. For the bed's mattress, I used thermocol sheet. For the bed sheet, I used some clothes and I also used thermocol sheets for these cute pillows and covered it with clothes. In bathroom, for the bathtub, I used ice cream box. For the shower in this bathtub, I used rubber bands and aluminium foil. For the tap here, I used glitter tube and U-pin with some part of thermocol sheet. My Barbie's home is beautiful and lovely, isn't it? If you like it, also make it. If you like my Barbie's house, so make it at your house. I hope you like my different type of video. We will meet soon with another topic. So